Hi guys, welcome to FiveFunSurprises, and I hope you like our video. So we have a PJ mask fine ready, and we have this Spider-Man, and also we can collect more of these, and also we can collect the autumn mask.
And it's here says
Find your
Keepers PJ Masks.
Let me tell the characters: Gecko, Owlet, and Catboy. Okay, so it's going to be okay. There. Okay, so guys, we have a hanger taker. It will tell us like wherever. Okay, so there's stickers. Look, ding ding ding. Wow, look at our left. Okay, so guys, we have a hanger taker. It will tell us. Okay, so we have these. And next. Sticker, and the next one is Night Ninja. Woo! Night Ninja. That's Night Ninja. So we're going to open this, and we have our stars. And the next one. Oops. Whoa, this one's so sticky. Okay, the next one is the circles, and next we have this. Cool. Now then,
So we got a
gecko,
and
we have a night ninja,
and also
we got stickers and candy. And this guy is Spider-Man. So how to put this? Okay, let's get this out. Okay.
we got
A Spider-Man
and helicopter on the top.
Yep.
Stop, and he's flying actually.
Yep.
He's flying, guy. And we got
Okay, so
here's a remote for we can press this one.
yep,
And
then
it's
it'll
fly.
And we will
So
see how it flies.
Yeah, he can go fly farther in the sky. So we will show later. And this is
A remote.
the charger.
Yeah.
So we are excited to see how this little guy
Flies.
get it super.
Okay, so let's try.
Here it has a little button. We're gonna press on. You see, we have this. I think it's low and the charge. So you're gonna plug this here, and then this over here. I think we're gonna put in the computer to charge, or any other device. You can charge it.
Oh my god, so funny. Wow. Whoa. So whoa.
I'm gonna press.
So Wendy.
Okay, camera.
Are you ready?